We're going to bring up Jane to do a little duet with me. It's all right, her husband is aware, and so is my wife. And it's Saturday night.
Well, they can't do nothing while we're on stage.
They bought tickets for the show. You having a good time? Oh, yeah. Paul, Nick, I saw you in the corner. Oh, good to see you. Where are you? Cindy Turner's right there. What a trooper. A big round of applause for Cindy. Come on. Unbelievable. We go way back. I'll do anything for you, and you're like a warrior and a half, man. You're almost Italian. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This one is off the Let It Bleed album. It's actually where we got our name from. Are you ready? Oh, yeah.
How you guys doing? You okay?
You know what? I think tonight I'm going to introduce the band for you. And we'll start with the sexiest member of the band, obviously. On bass. All right. As backup vocals, percussions, guitar, just sheer magic. Ladies and gentlemen, Hurricane Jane. Hurricane Jane. Oh yeah. On saxophone, and later on he's going to be playing the recorder. I have to say that because you'll correct me. From Switzerland, Casper Knoll. Oh yeah. On bass, there's Bill Wyman. Oh, Magic Fingers. That's what it's quite called. Mr. Phil Peters. Give it up. On keyboards, I think your wife calls you fingers as well. Keyboards and piano, backup vocals, Daniel Gideon. On drums, there's Charlie Watts. Oh yeah, there you are. Hey, Steve, take it easy.
It's a little switch right now.
Mr. Frank Christopherson. Oh yeah, at least you have the clean socks today. On guitar, the Wonder Boy, playing the part of Brian Jones, Mick Taylor, Ronnie Wood, Mr. Son Gold. And as Keith, without the heroin, thank God. Oh yeah, Magic Riff Man, Mr. James Asayag. And where's your better half? Where's the birthday girl? Michelle. I see you. And we have a table over there, there's a birthday as well. Well, I'll get to all of you. All right, this one we're going to do a little differently. It means so much to my brother here. I will step off the stage. I'm going to pick a random woman to dance with for this song. Brother, the stage is yours.
Hey, and we got Steve on the drums here who's filling in.
Steve. That's Steve.
I just want to say a little quick rest in peace, Ace Frehley, one of my heroes. And, I'm just going to do a little song for you guys, just like this.
Frank Christopherson.
Oh, brilliant, good done. Well done, brother. Steve, awesome job, man. He was called to work half hour ago, right? Thank you so much. Frank, I love you, brother.
Oh, yeah, thank you so much.